everyone, Catherine Aird here, shooting with the brand new Osmo 3. I'm actually working on a video on how to use this. It is really cool. But I wanted to up on video today to announce you that we have a new package for our webinars. So at the moment we have 8 webinars. They are all scheduled for the whole summer on our websites, catherineaird.ca, keepitsimplesocialmedia.com. We have a webinar on strategy, one on Facebook for business, Instagram for business, Facebook and Instagram advertising, all about video for social media, photo and video editing for social media, and 2 new ones, conducting real estate virtually, that we have taught to more than 3,000 real estate agents in the last couple of months, and live Facebook Live, all about Facebook Live. So these 8 webinars are on our website and they're all $49 each. Now, some of you reached out to us to ask if it would be possible to get a discount for signing up for all of them. And we figured, how about we offer you an unlimited access to all of our webinars for a month. So essentially, instead of signing up for the 8 webinars at $49 each and paying $400, we've decided to offer this kind of monthly unlimited pass for $250. So you save $150. You have unlimited access to all of our teaching for a month. And you also have, of course, access to all of the notes, certificates that you can claim for PDP self-directed credits if you're a realtor. You have access to our Facebook private group for ongoing support, and a list of custom YouTube tutorials that we have created to guide you to the more technical aspects of our teaching. If this is of interest to you, please send us a message or email us hello@catherineaird.ca or heather@keepitsimplesocialmedia.com, and we'll be more than happy to have you join our team. I am looking forward to teaching you, and Heather is sending you a big virtual hug. Bye-bye.